Hi, it's Jason at Jordanbikes. They've got for you Aprilia RSV4-RF. This is the APRC. The top of the range model. It's basically a super bike with headlights. It's done 4,272 miles, 2016 on a 66. And it's got the Brembo Monoblocs. It's got the Ohlins forks, Ohlins rear shock, Ohlins steering damper, titanium Akrapovic pipe, and carbon end can, tail tidy. You've got wheelie modes, you've got launch control, traction control, everything. An incredible bike. You can adjust everything on the fly, the traction, wheelie control and so on, all the hand controls down here. Beautiful thing. We'll give it a start for you. Sounds absolutely incredible. So come on down to Jordanbikes and take a listen for yourself, or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.